Hi, Bay East members. I'm Michael Soon Lee, National Real Estate Speaker and author. I'm sure you know that this association provides more training than most other groups of its size. However, you may not think you need any more classes because you're an experienced agent. Well, I've been licensed as a real estate professional for over 40 years, and I still attend classes here because they help me to save time, be more efficient, and make more money. For instance, I've learned how to make templates using zip forms so I don't have to retype the same information over and over again. I've also learned how to get every buyer to sign a buyer-broker agreement, which guarantees their loyalty to me. In addition, I constantly attend classes about the latest real estate law changes to reduce my chances of getting sued in this very lawsuit-prone profession. Talk about changes. When I started out in 1977, the purchase contract was just 1 page long, and look how it's grown. I know that the main key to my success and longevity in this very difficult business is that I'm constantly learning, and Bay East has some of the best trainers in the country. Check out the calendar of training classes on the website. I think you'll be surprised by all of the offerings that can help you not only survive, but thrive in the real estate profession. I hope to see you here soon at a Bay East class.